Hi, I'm Jo, the founder of Your Space Living in Lantern Major. The other day, a couple popped into the design studio looking for help with a kitchen renovation. They were totally overwhelmed and asked me, "What exactly do you do?" In fairness, it would have been quicker to list the things we don't do, because when it comes to interior home renovations, we pretty much do everything. Your Space Living is a design-led home renovation studio, specialising in kitchens, bedrooms and bathrooms. The term design-led means that the designer manages the whole project from start to finish. Believe it or not, that's quite rare. In the majority of cases, your plans will be passed over to an installation team and you'll never see the designer again. We don't do it that way. We spend weeks, sometimes months, working with our clients, designing their kitchen or bathroom, ordering the components for manufacturing, as well as organising the tradespeople within a structured schedule of works. That's a lot to do and takes quite a bit of time. Throughout that time, we build a trusting relationship with our clients. The last thing we would want is to leave that relationship in the hands of a bunch of blokes you've never seen before. With Your Space Living, the person who's designed the space and built the relationship is on site to make sure design plans are followed to the letter. On the odd occasion when we uncover a problem, like a hidden pipe or a structural issue, the designer works with the installation team to ensure that the design isn't compromised. We keep all dialogue open between the client and the trades to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Our services extend to all aspects of the renovation process. That includes space planning, making sure that we make the most of the available space and ensure that one area flows into the other seamlessly. In addition, we also create electrical specification plans and plumbing diagrams to guide the team. If your project requires building work, such as a small extension, the removal of a partition wall, or the movement of services like plumbing and electrics, we'll take care of it. From structural engineer drawings to planning authority admin to quoting and managing a building team, we sort out everything. We do occasionally get some pushback. There are builders out there who don't want to be managed by a designer. After all, we just draw pictures, right? Our team of builders, plumbers and carpenters don't see it that way. They understand the value we bring to the process and appreciate not having to make decisions that are outside their remit. We work on the basis of mutual respect. Not only is our design team fully qualified, we also have over 30 years of on-site practical experience. Our team enjoy working with us, which is why we've been together for more years than I care to remember. So what about the couple I spoke about in the beginning? Well, they had a unique project. They are moving back to Cardiff after years living abroad. They've bought a house that is in need of major overhaul. They want walls taken down, steel beams put in, electrics, plumbing, a new kitchen diner and a bathroom. They've got quite a wish list. On top of that, they want the majority of work completed whilst they are still overseas. They trust us to get the job done, and that's exactly what's going to happen. I know that because I'm in charge, and I'll see that everything is finished beautifully. That's just one example of the wide variety of projects we undertake. If you're in the process of planning a refurbishment or a new kitchen, please get in touch. Whatever it is, we're here to help.